what are you up to?
Meena, I'm looking at my toys, but I don't know why they look different from each other.
Oh, that's because they have different shapes. Would you like to learn about shapes?
Yes, please.
Great! Let's go to your whiteboard. This is a circle. It's round like a bowl or the sun.
Oh, like my favorite cookie.
Exactly! Now let's try a square. A square has 4 equal sides and 4 corners.
Like my building blocks.
You're right. Now how about a triangle? A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners.
Oh, like a slice of pizza.
You're so good at this, Sarah. Let's play a game. Can you find something shaped like a circle?
This plate is a circle.
Perfect. Now can you find a square?
This box is a square.
You're doing great. Last one. Can you find a triangle?
The party hat is a triangle.
Wow, Sarah. You've learned so much about shapes today.
Yay! Shapes are fun. Thank you for teaching me, Meena.
You're welcome, Sarah. Remember, shapes are all around us. Keep looking for them. Bye-bye, friends. Let's find shapes together.